Hi, this was a walkthrough for adding a PDF stamp to a DDP. To begin, you must first select your DDP. For this example, we're simply using a blank document, but once you're in the DDP detail page, navigate down to the PDF stamp object and choose New PDF Stamp. This will initiate the edit page. A description of all the edit page fields can be found on the support page for PDF stamp. First, you must give your PDF stamp a name, then choose a type. For this example, we're going to use text, and then next give it a stamp text. Continuing with this example, we're going to choose a font type, select rotation by entering a degree number in the rotation field, and a style, whether it's bold, italic, or underline. To make them active, you must add it to the right side where it says chosen. Then we're going to choose a vertical alignment, whether it appears at the bottom, top, or middle of the page, as well as setting a vertical offset, opacity, description, and what delivery methods it works for. Moving on to the right column, we're going to assign the stamp to pages or a single page, choose the font size, as well as the text color. You can also choose a background color, background padding, choose its horizontal alignment, whether it appears in the left, right, or center of the page, its horizontal offset, order, and DDP files it's assigned to. Once you're ready, hit save and you can begin using your PDF stamp. Navigate to a record on the main object of your DDP, and once in the Visualforce page, hit run. The way we set up this PDF stamp, it will stamp a text on the left side towards the center of the page. Now that we've downloaded the file, we can open it up and confirm that the stamp worked. So here you can see that our text was in fact stamped in bold and underlined. Now we're going to move on to a PDF stamp that uses an image. We're going to navigate back to the DDP, scroll down to the PDF stamp object, choose Edit, change the stamp name to Image, select Image as our type, and now you must grab an image ID to use in this PDF stamp. We've already uploaded a Draw Loop logo to the Documents tab. Now we just need to grab the ID and paste it in the Image ID field. Then we can set its height, and scale it, and set its width. A description of all these other fields can be found on the support page for PDF stamps. But when we're ready, we can save, navigate back to a record on our main object, select Loop Plus, and run the PDF stamp DDP. Now that our document has completed, we can open it up and confirm that the image has been stamped. And as you can see, the image was stamped in the center of the page. Now we're going to move on to a rectangle example of a PDF stamp. We're going to go back to the DDP, edit the current PDF stamp, change the type to rectangle, and change the PDF stamp name to rectangle. Keeping the height and width settings, we're just going to edit the background color and choose a percentage of opacity. Now we're going to save and run it on a record from our main object. Hit the Loop Plus button, choose a PDF stamp DDP, and once the document is done processing, we're going to download it and confirm that the rectangle has been stamped onto the PDF. And as you can see, it has been stamped. And that is how you add a PDF stamp to a DDP. Thank you.